Hi, I'm Martin, one of the commercial trainers over here in our Warwick Training Centre. This course covers our Remeha Quinta Ace series of high efficiency wall-hung condensing boilers and also provides an overview of the Remeha Gas 120 Ace floor standing boiler. I will take you through the product range covering installation, commissioning and maintenance, and on completion of the course you will be able to complete a single and cascade installation, identify fluing types and flue accessories, check electrical supply and control connections, complete appliance commissioning, flue gas analysing and combustion adjustment, and carry out an annual service. Understanding the sequence of operation, use of the HMI unit on the boiler, and finally, identify faults and access the fault codes and history. We want you to be confident working on our products, so we ensure our courses are packed with useful tips and insights so that you get the maximum learning in the minimum time.